This is the swing frame of the day for August 12th, 2026. So what we're looking for is the best reward to risk ratio in both directions. It usually features a compressed day on the daily chart here in Google that you see in the yellow box. That's the high and the low. The 5-day range is the red box. The 10-day range is the blue box. The 30-day range is the black box. And what we have is if we get a breakout from the yellow zone, then we have a 7-to-1 reward to risk back to the test of the 10 and 30-day high. We have about a 4-to-1 to the 30-day low. And if that were to break, we'd have a collapsing dragon, which would really rock it. When you see the size of these daily bars, and you see how directional they are, then having a real tight range compression in this compound critical state near the support levels of the PSAR, then you have a setup that is ready to go in either direction. And as long as you do not have a directional bias, you are free to follow price. And that's the secret of this technique. So come check us out, see how we do it. Ken at Tortoise Capital and the boys at owltradinggroup.com. Thank you.